Ever swipe your card a little too freely and now you're sweating a future purchase? We've all been there. You splurge a bit, the statement comes in, and suddenly that dream vacation outfit feels less necessary and more like a potential credit limit disaster. So you scramble to make a payment, hoping to free up some available credit before that must-have gadget drops. But with Capital One, how long exactly are you waiting until you can, responsibly, of course, hit that Add to Cart button again? Fear not, friends. We're diving deep into the world of Capital One payment processing times and how quickly you can expect your available credit to reflect your financial responsibility. Now, unlike some banks that leave you hanging for days on end, Capital One is generally pretty good about updating your available credit quickly. We're talking within 1 to 2 business days after your payment is processed. That means that evening swipe to pay off your recent shopping spree could have you ready to rock another purchase by the following afternoon. But hold on a second, there are a few things to keep in mind before you max out your card again. We've all been there. Part 2. First, that 1 to 2 day window is just an estimate. There can be some variations depending on how you make your payment. Generally, online payments made through the Capital One website or app are the fastest. Phone payments might take a little longer, and things get even slower with mailed checks. Who even uses checks anymore, right? The mail system is a fickle beast, and waiting for a physical check to clear can add extra days to the process. Second, not all payments are created equal. If you're making a hefty payment to cover a large outstanding balance, Capital One might hold onto those funds for a bit longer just to make sure everything checks out. This is a security measure to prevent fraudulent activity, so don't panic if your available credit doesn't magically appear right after that big payment. Here's the key takeaway: while Capital One is generally quick with updates, it's always a good idea to plan ahead. If you know you have a big purchase coming up soon, try to make a payment a few days beforehand to ensure your available credit reflects the full amount. Pro tip: Capital One offers SMS and email alerts to keep you updated on your available credit. Set those up. They're lifesavers when you're trying to avoid a declined card situation. Remember, managing your credit card effectively is all about staying informed and being prepared. With a little knowledge and some smart planning, you can keep your Capital One card your financial friend, not your foe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and happy spending, responsibly, of course.